Hello fans, welcome everybody. This is still your boy Silvermas Entertainment, and today Ejim update better. Yes, I came here with an update. I'll ask him come new update here quick. This life, baby, you need wisdom. You need wisdom, because without wisdom, you can make a mistake always. Ndemji maka batani iru akwukwa today. Makona we carry atwa aka. Ndemji bara bomji maka batana iru akwukwa today, Facebook today. Wo Akozion. Akozion yes kema. Gena mate aseza aka onu aka mji bata. Echeburu na m ga rapu okwu aka ogawara onwe ha, mana since we na chobe izu ike. It is time. Always asogide eze anya. Egburu nkata na iru gwa yoku. You got that? Mr. Suna not too much, so I get easy on. De Akozion. Give my camje bido. And the reason get you a bido bo, it was cyanide. It was in kind. And so in a mess I say, oh, be no a mistake, it affects all of us. You got that? Some of these decisions in a take in my your actions, my brother, to some extent on a reflect upon watching a car. Yeah, on a reflect on a house or less a chineka. And so somehow, you know when you put this in Kadima, as is in the Zion. That is the reason Iwaji put us in now that he can work a water. Okay, if a chineka and if you need wisdom. These three keys are important: wisdom, knowledge, and understanding. Me here as a Christian, your Christianity will be in problem. Yes, you need wisdom in life. But can I want to be operate on a good wisdom, level of wisdom. Some of these your actions, now I will try bad names out there. You got email. Jesus understand. In fact, Bible says now wisdom is the principal thing. And in getting wisdom, get understanding. That is knowledge. You know God. You know what God is like. You know what God needs. You know God wants you to do. You know how to operate. That will help you. For the in a wrong way, to an extent. So I'm him with the can pump and play. I honor people, I respect people, but I don't fear people. So they Akozion Iyebutu. Ebukobi na hochakwande na aboyiyu. I give some comment. In fact, he even know because he have knowledge of the ministry. He know that crisis will come, enemies will fall. Jesus Christ said, "I know so." As a disciple, Jesus offices on his own time. The Sanhedrin, the scribes, the Pharisees, they were against him. They criticized him. Yet, Bible even said that as a sheep going to the slaughter, he opened not his mouth. I want you when you make buono, ne Ishi, na nalo, you got analo Tazria Hojo. Ekuzio Kwasen and they Zion are aggressive, and they Zion are responsible, you know. You have some of these moves. They can go upon Pamplane. Because if he stop at every junction to answer critics, he will not move forward. He will not go to where he's going. So sometimes we look at those things, so yeah, Kembo. So I live in Kenya. Here again, Matthias in me. Mbogari go to on the woman special. You got on a Kwasimobi. You got that. In a Boyaga Buja Law, Kwana, see, there is a way to react to such critics. Other book they go you way grassroots evangelism. And I was your money winning souls. The more they are talking about us, the more we are increasing in all leaps and bounds. That is how to counter those things. Bible says we wrestle not against flesh and blood, but against principalities and powers. So I will get a marriage go Abuja, we take go away one school, away one place of feeding people that are with less privileged ones. You see that the gospel of Christ will be preached faster. You will go now in Abuja. Now they are not code account because now when your Bible is writing. That is not even what our prophet Ebuka is doing. The case business demand urgency. Oh, you don't go for frivolities. You go for action. You do something constructive. say ye property ye Ishi case. Now they okwa you kunu on abawasi mobi. On abam bobo. How did you follow your humble beginning day? If I say you forget your humble beginning. Maybe you check for land packing. Yeah, Lahore. Muchupra now. You are side all on is. Then you could say what I'm not going at least you could say the name now. So with all those hustles and all those things, I won't know you pakia now. You are also to choose okay. Wajidenka, bro, million. The property, Gaja case. It's a one key property. Send them missionaries to mission field for Christ. And that is why I am saying it. See, number Zion does not mean that some of these Zion, we go overboard in certain things, and it's bringing bad name to us. See, disciple means discipline, followership. Discipline followers. So if you must follow a man of God, if you must follow Christ, you must be disciplined. You must know what to do and what not to do. That is and moreover, Matthias, every day, every month, I can May on. You want that? Manaka get noon at Choto. I need the Chakoyanaya. Now we know the top. So I'm not a macho quick move for the banquet. Oh, no, put I only will give controversial, more or give a canaria. Chiba Nozo, Yishike, Emechaki in an award. Only Shike one of Igbo Land. Ebaniala, una book, I don't want to go. I want to put a new Cocola at the time I have Luna Bombola, not calling him wishing out. Because here was anyway. Zion, we move.